Welcome to our horse leather manufacturing facility. Today, I'll show you how premium horse leather is transformed into stylish luxury leather jackets.
Every hide is carefully finished and inspected to meet the highest luxury quality standards. Every jacket passes rigorous inspection before reaching customers worldwide.
Every jacket begins with precision digital design to ensure perfect fit and efficient material use.
And that's how premium horse leather is transformed into stylish luxury leather jackets, from carefully prepared hides to expertly crafted fashion.